10 anti-aging foods for a whole week and see if my skin really glows up. When it comes to maintaining youthful skin, we often focus on topical creams and serums. But the truth is, nutrition plays a significant role in our skin's health. In fact, a well-balanced diet can make all the difference in achieving that radiant, glowing complexion we all desire. As we age, our skin undergoes a range of changes, from fine lines and wrinkles to dullness and discoloration. We combat with expensive skincare products and treatments, instead of simplest and most effective solution, our diet. The foods we eat can either accelerate or decelerate the aging process, and today, we're going to explore the top 10 anti-aging foods that'll make your skin glow from the inside out. Aging skin is a major concern for many of us, and it's not just about aesthetics. As we age, our skin loses its elasticity, becomes thinner, and is more prone to damage. This can lead to skin conditions like acne, rosacea, and hyperpigmentation. By incorporating the right foods into our meals, we can boost collagen production, hydrate our skin. It's essential to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that provide our skin with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. The top 10 anti-aging foods that'll transform your skin from the inside out. Berries are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, causing damage to our skin. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which promote collagen production and hydrate our skin. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, reducing inflammation and promoting healthy skin cell growth. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamin A to combat fine lines and wrinkles. Avocados provide healthy fats for hydrated, plump skin. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces sun damage and inflammation. Beets are a rich source of vitamin C, which promotes collagen production and brightens our complexion. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory that reduces skin conditions like acne and rosacea. One food that might surprise you is beets. These vibrant, crimson veggies are often overlooked, but they're a powerhouse of anti-aging benefits. Not only do they contain vitamin C, but they're also rich in antioxidants and fiber, making them an excellent addition to your meals. What's more, beets are incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways. From beet salads to pickled beets, the options are endless, and the best part, they're inexpensive and widely available. So, how can you start incorporating beets into your diet? Start by adding them to your smoothies or juices for a boost of antioxidants. You can also roast them as a side dish or add them to salads for a burst of color and flavor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite anti-aging foods. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more.